Discover the hidden gem of Red Deer, Alberta, weighing the pros and cons of living in this Canadian city. Are you tired of the hustle and bustle of city life but still want to enjoy the amenities of an urban center? Look no further than Red Deer, Alberta, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Canada's prairies. With a population of just over 100,000 people, Red Deer offers a unique blend of small-town charm and big city convenience. But is it the right place for you to call home? In this video, we'll delve into the pros and cons of living in Red Deer, Alberta, and help you decide if this Canadian city is the perfect fit for you. Pros of living in Red Deer, Alberta. So, let's start with the pros. One of the biggest advantages of living in Red Deer is its affordable cost of living. Compared to other major cities in Alberta, Red Deer has a relatively low cost of living. The median house price is around $340,000, making it an attractive option for first-time homebuyers or those looking to upgrade to a larger property. Additionally, the city has a range of affordable housing options, including apartments, condos, and single-family homes. In addition to affordable housing, Red Deer also offers a range of outdoor recreation opportunities. From hiking and biking to fishing and skiing, there's no shortage of activities to enjoy in the great outdoors. The city is surrounded by beautiful parks, trails, and lakes, making it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. In fact, Red Deer has over 100 parks and green spaces, including the popular Waskesiu Park and the Red Deer River. Red Deer also has a thriving arts and culture scene, with numerous galleries, museums, and performance venues. The city is home to the Red Deer Symphony Orchestra and the Alberta Sports Hall of Fame and Museum, making it a great place for art lovers and sports enthusiasts alike. Additionally, the city hosts a range of festivals and events throughout the year, including the Red Deer Festival of the Arts and the Westerner Days Fair and Exposition. Another advantage of living in Red Deer is its excellent education system. The city has a reputation for having one of the best education systems in Alberta, with a range of public and private schools to choose from. Red Deer College is also a popular post-secondary institution, offering a variety of programs and courses. In fact, the college has a strong focus on trades and technology, making it a great option for students looking to pursue a career in these fields. Red Deer is also a great place to start a business, with a range of resources and support services available to entrepreneurs. The city has a strong economy, with a diverse range of industries, including oil and gas, agriculture, and manufacturing. Additionally, the city has a range of business parks and industrial areas, making it easy to find the perfect location for your business. Cons of living in Red Deer, Alberta. Now, let's talk about the cons. One of the biggest drawbacks of living in Red Deer is its limited job opportunities. While the city has a diverse economy, the job market can be limited in certain industries. The city is heavily reliant on the oil and gas sector, which can be subject to fluctuations in the global market. Additionally, the city's remote location can make it difficult to access certain job opportunities or industries. Another con is the harsh winters. Red Deer experiences cold winters, with temperatures often dropping below -20 degrees Celsius. This can be challenging for some people, especially those who are not used to such cold climates. However, the city has a range of winter activities and events to enjoy, including skiing, snowshoeing, and ice skating. Limited public transportation is another con of living in Red Deer. The city has a limited public transportation system, making it difficult for those without cars to get around the city. However, the city is working to improve its public transportation system, with plans to expand its bus network and introduce a new bike share program. Finally, Red Deer is a growing city, and with that growth comes growing pains. Traffic congestion and construction delays can be frustrating for residents. However, the city is working to address these issues, with plans to improve its infrastructure and expand its road network. Neighborhoods to consider. If you're considering moving to Red Deer, here are some neighborhoods to consider. The downtown area is a great place to live if you want to be close to amenities like shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. The area is also home to a range of apartments and condos, making it a great option for those who want to live in a more urban environment. The Woodley neighborhood is another popular option. with its tree-lined streets and historic homes. It's a great place to live if you want a more suburban feel, with plenty of parks and green spaces to enjoy. The area is also home to a range of single-family homes, making it a great option for families. The Anders neighborhood is also worth considering, with its modern homes and family-friendly atmosphere. It's a great place to live if you have kids, with plenty of parks and playgrounds to enjoy. The area is also home to a range of schools, including the popular Anders School. Red Deer, Alberta is a unique and charming city that offers a blend of small-town charm and big city convenience. While it may have its pros and cons, the city's affordable cost of living, outdoor recreation opportunities, thriving arts and culture scene, and excellent education system make it an attractive option for those looking to relocate. If you're considering moving to Red Deer, we hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive overview of the city's pros and cons. Remember to weigh these factors carefully and consider what's most important to you and your family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on living in Red Deer, Alberta. Have you lived in Red Deer before? What were your experiences like? Share your stories and help others make informed decisions about this Canadian city.